The point that I don't feel comfortable with is when issues concern Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, people throw away what has been happening through the window. Now, first and foremost, during the Nazi era, we all know about Nuremberg laws, the laws the Nazis made. They are a ridiculous set of laws, but those people that the Nazis use their laws to hold can today stand and say these people were legally convicted according to law. So for you to go and start using law to tell me that because of the fact that Nigerian law did not provide, or rather provided, there is nowhere that is prohibited in Nigerian law for you to be convicted and sentenced the next minute, it doesn't fly.
Okay, why do you think he was taken to Sokoto?
He was taken to Sokoto as a symbolic gesture that a Biafran who is seeking the self-determination of his people should be subjugated by the Fulani Caliphate. That's the reason he was taken. First and foremost, he should be in detention center in Abuja and not in DSS facility. The reason he was left in DSS facility is the same reason why he was transferred to Sokoto. The reason is that they want to make sure that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is psychologically subjugated. Now, if you want to counteract what I have said, then ask yourself one simple question. Why is it that in spite of all the legal maneuverings that his attorneys did, his lawyers did, he was not still sent to detention facility? Why do you think so? Number one. Number two, how can you say that somebody whose lawyers reside in Abuja, that transferring that person to a maximum security prison in Sokoto makes those lawyers available to him? How can you say that? Do you know the distance between Abuja and Sokoto? How is it? And this person has appeal pending. There was a reason why the elites during colonial time, why they were saboteurs. And you cannot expect somebody who is benefiting from the system to work against the system that he or she is benefiting from. Let us take a test, and which is what the Nigerian authorities are afraid of. If you say Biafrans or those in the southeast or some people in the southeast and south, do they want Biafra? Okay, why not give us referendum? Let's see. I am telling you that Biafra will win that. Those who are in support of it will win that referendum by a landslide. That is it. Do you know that if Biafra will not win the referendum, the government of Nigeria will quickly organize it and shut it down? The solution to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case still remains political and not legal, because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a freedom fighter. The right he has is called cogens. It can never be removed by him because it's a right given to him by God for him to choose his own political, economic and social pathway. And that is what we want, and we shall continue to support him no matter the angle that the Nigerian state wants, because Nelson Mandela told us that it's always impossible until it is done.